Hi, my name is Anh Nguyen Austen, and I'm a researcher at the Institute for Humanities and Social Sciences at Australian Catholic University. Greetings from Melbourne. I would like to begin with an acknowledgement of country. I would like to pay my respects to the Wurundjeri people of the Kulin Nation, elders past, present, and emerging. That sovereignty has never been ceded, and this is and always will be Aboriginal land. I first presented with Michael and Anita at IOHA Bengalore in 2016. I met Dominique in Berlin when she attended my workshop on game design and the use of oral histories as a method of teaching migration. 7 years ago, I had started my PhD, which is now a book, and it's about Vietnamese migrants and the oral histories of their connection in the global and digital diaspora, including an analysis of Facebook communities based on the refugee camps or boats they were rescued, and how they continue to connect on and offline. The PhD and book were my earliest conception of digital diaspora studies, and Routledge invited me to propose a new book series to expound upon this area of study. I recruited Anita as my co-editor and Michael to the advisory group. My working definition in the PhD of digital diaspora focused on forced displacement and migration as a cause of real and digital formation of communities and movements on and offline. But after COVID and the publication in 2022, I convened a workshop in Rome with international scholars, including the three of us, to open discussion on reconceptions of digital and diasporic, not just the use of oral history or digital tools and methods and applications, and diasporic as in not just pertaining to migrants or refugees. Contributions included Alessandro Portelli in his expansive view of music as diasporic, and Tamara Wood's analysis of movement, martial arts, Aikido, on and offline communities that are connected through these diasporic traits. We will be publishing a focused edited volume of these historical studies and methods to inform digital diaspora studies. As a working group for the new series, we invite you all to another layer of investigation of how public historians and communities are engaging in the conception and use of technology for diasporic advocacy, activism, research, and public history. I would like to end with my regrets for not being able to be there in person with you all. I hope that we can connect through Anita, Michael, and Dominique, and or email for any future collaborations or your interest in being part of the publication. And I will end with a description of the series and our openness to your ideas and research. Studies of digital diaspora explore the nexus of digital life, migration, and diaspora studies in the humanities and social sciences. Topics include the complex roots, forms, and implications over time of how digital communities, diasporic connections, and migrant cultures inform and produce new knowledge across disciplines, including data and network science, media and communications, ethnography, anthropology, geography, psychology, history, literature, political science, and education. We encourage interdisciplinary methods and perspectives from the Global South and transnational studies. Thank you for your time and consideration of this presentation.